Hi kids, let's read Daily Use Question Answers Part 2.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Who is that?
That is my brother.
Where is your book?
It's on the table.
Where are you?
I'm in my room.
Who is she?
She is my teacher.
What do you want?
I want a cookie.
Where is your mother?
She is in the kitchen.
Why are you laughing?
The joke was funny.
What is your favorite color?
Pink is my favorite color.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.